Now let's check out the navigation and organization differences between your posts and pages. As you can see in the left navigation under post, you can add posts, see all your posts, add posts, right? Manage your categories and manage your tags. We'll go into detail about the difference between categories and tags later, but for now, understand that these are your main options. Now let's see what Pages offers. Pages allows you to add a new page and show all your pages. Right now we only have an about, but we're going to delete this for now so you can see what it looks like bare bones. Now when it comes to organizing and navigating your pages, they can be browsed between categories, tags, and archives. So let's create a category. This category would be tutorials. A parent category is just another category that is above the child. Right now, tutorials will be the parent. So when it asks us to add a parent category, we will say none. Description. Make sure you add your descriptions to keep everything organized. Add category. You'll get a notification in the top that says category added. And you'll see on the right-hand side that your category has been updated successfully. Now let's go to tags. I generally like to have a tag and a category that are similar. That way I can filter them the way I want to in the future. Some plugins are optimized for either or. So you may run in a situation where a plugin uses tags to filter some information and your tag is consistent with their category. So you might as well have a tag that represents the category. Tag description, same thing. Add a description to keep things organized. Add tag. Once again, that notification's in the top. Tag added. Great. And you'll also be able to see it on the right-hand side, just like categories. Now let's go to all posts. And let's add a post. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.